What if I told you that the future of decentralized finance, the very promise of financial autonomy, sometimes hits a roadblock? You've carefully crafted your transaction on Bifrost Wallet, you've double-checked everything, hit send, and then, failure. It's a frustrating experience, one that many of us in the Flare and Songbird community have encountered. You're not alone in wondering, why does my Bifrost Wallet transaction keep failing? This isn't just a minor glitch, it can feel like a significant hurdle, especially when you're trying to claim your Flare drops, wrap your SGB, or participate in the ever-evolving DeFi landscape. Understanding why these failures occur is crucial to navigating the Bifrost ecosystem smoothly. Today, we're going to dive deep into the common culprits behind failed Bifrost Wallet transactions, offering you practical insights and actionable steps to overcome these frustrations. One of the most frequent reasons for a failed transaction is insufficient Songbird, SGB, or Flare, FLR, for gas fees. Every operation on the Songbird and Flare networks, from simply sending tokens to interacting with smart contracts, requires a small amount of the native token to cover the computational cost. Think of it like paying a toll on a digital highway. If you don't have enough SGB or FLR in your wallet to cover this toll, your transaction will be rejected. Always ensure you have a healthy buffer of SGB or FLR beyond the amount you intend to transact. A good rule of thumb is to keep at least a few SGB or FLR readily available for gas. Another common issue arises from network congestion. While the Songbird and Flare networks are designed for efficiency, periods of high activity can lead to increased demand for block space. During such times, transactions with lower gas fees might be deprioritized or even dropped. If your transaction is consistently failing during peak hours, consider increasing your gas fee slightly. Bifrost Wallet usually provides an estimated gas fee, but you might need to manually adjust it upwards during busy periods. However, be cautious not to set it excessively high, as this won't necessarily guarantee faster confirmation and will cost you more. Outdated wallet versions can also be a silent saboteur. Developers regularly release updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and adapt to network changes. If you're using an older version of Bifrost Wallet, it might not be fully compatible with the current network parameters, leading to transaction failures. Regularly check for and install updates for your Bifrost Wallet from official sources. This simple step can often resolve a myriad of underlying issues. Sometimes, the problem isn't with your wallet or the network, but with the smart contract you're interacting with. If you're trying to stake, unwrap, or claim tokens through a specific dApp, there might be an issue on the dApp side. This could be due to a bug in their contract, maintenance, or even just temporary server issues. In such cases, checking the dApp's official social media channels or community forums for announcements can provide valuable insights. If multiple users are reporting similar issues, it's likely a dApp-specific problem. Finally, while less common, issues with your internet connection or even your device's date and time settings can sometimes interfere with transaction signing and broadcast. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your device's time is synchronized automatically. Though seemingly minor, these environmental factors can sometimes cause unexpected failures. Troubleshooting failed Bifrost Wallet transactions often involves a process of elimination. Start by checking your SGB/FLR balance for gas. Then, consider network congestion and adjust gas fees if necessary. Next, verify your wallet version and update it if needed. If you're interacting with a dApp, investigate its status. And finally, don't overlook basic connectivity and device settings. By systematically addressing these potential issues, you'll significantly increase your success rate and ensure your decentralized finance journey on Flare and Songbird remains as smooth as possible. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.